Welcome back. So I'm just taking these two out of this one because I'm doing a two-parter, and I'm hoping this is successful. You can kind of see what it is on the back. Yay. But yeah, I just needed to take those out. And I have a couple more things to take out. Oh my gosh, I lost a nail in a struggle of I don't know what earlier today. Oh, this is pretty. I hope you can see the green on that side. It's like a aqua color. It's like black, white, and like that aqua color, and it had like hints of gold or whatever. I like that. I like that. It's this screen, obviously made from the same batch as everything that's in this video. I'll do another video when I'm unmolding the full incense holder over there. Oh, ooh, I forgot I did put the white in. This looks like the ocean. It's so pretty. I like it a lot. Yeah, I like, yes, I got my smooth bike because I've been massaging it. Yeah, I was pouring that junk back and forth trying to get it to, I really like this. Can you see? Is this, I feel like my camera is moisturized, so everything looks like glazed and dreamy. But I love this. This is so pretty. I want it. I don't even smoke, and I want this. This is so cute. I love it. But yeah, it's like a aqua color. My hands are too small. I don't know if it makes a difference. You can't really see. I'm gonna post a picture at the end because it looks like it's, oh yeah, when I tilt it like that, you can see. It's like greenish blue, but it's like luminescent, iridescent type joint. I'm obsessed. Yeah, this is going on the table tomorrow. Anyways, this is what we got. These are ready to go. I feel like I want to finish that yin yang one. I think I might finish that tonight so it'll be ready for tomorrow. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check us out on all social media platforms, all streaming networks, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.